Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sakshi. So for today's video, I'll be doing a get to know me tag wherein you guys will get to know me a little better rather than just beauty and fashion. So let's get started. Or this way. So I have these questions that I got from Google. I have written it in my Spider-Man diary. I love Spider-Man. So yeah, there are some questions that I wrote, and some of the questions I asked you guys a few hours before filming this video. If you have any questions, just ask me on my Instagram poll, and you guys asked me, so I've written those down too because I'm filming on my phone right now and I had to write this in my diary. So without further ado, let's get started finally. So my first question is, it's not a question, I'll tell you. So what is my name? My full name is Sakshi Prakash Shinde. What is my age? I am 17 years old. Yeah. What is my birthday date and my zodiac sign? So my birthday is on 28th February 2003, which makes me a Pisces. All the Pisces out there. Where was I born and brought up? So I am born and brought up in Mumbai, Maharashtra, which I'm currently staying right now. I stay in Mumbai. What is my education? I just passed out my HSC exams just right now, and I don't know what to do further in my life. I mean, I know I'll be taking BMM, but which college I'm going to, I have no idea. So next question is my hobbies. So I'd like to dance. I'm not a professional dancer. Let me clear that out for you guys. I'm not a professional dancer, but I dance a little bit. And I like makeup. I'm very much into makeup. I've started doing makeup since 2 years back, and I am learning. The next question is, what is my ambition? So I don't know what I'll be doing in my future, but I like beauty and fashion, so I think I'll pursue something in that field. Yeah. Also, I like to travel, so traveling would be on my list. Cities I want to travel. There are a lot of cities that I would love to travel. I like to travel the whole world, to be honest. But the list is very long, so I'll just give you my top 3 cities that I would love to travel. So my first city I would love to travel is Santorini, that is Greece, and I see these pictures on Pinterest and on Instagram, and I just love how it looks. I just really want to travel over there. The next city I would like to travel is Prague. I love it over there. It's so calm and it's so beautiful over there. It's very vintagey, and again I love it. The third city is, I think, Thailand, because I just wanted to, I was going to travel to Bali this year, but coronavirus, I'm not saying anything again. So yeah, Thailand. For my next question, what is my biggest fear? I have a lot of fears, to be honest, but one thing that really gets me is losing someone I love, or just the fact that I'm not around them just scares me a lot. Yeah, that really scares me. Also, I am terrified of snakes. I just don't hate snakes. I just see a video on Instagram and I start getting goosebumps on my body. So I just hate snakes. My brothers like them though. I don't know for what possible reason, but it's very okay. Let's get past that. My next question is, what kind of music am I into? I like pop rock music a lot. I'm very much into EDM music too. I love Bollywood music. Whenever Bollywood song plays, party songs, I start dancing there and there. So yeah, I'm very much into Bollywood music. I'll tell you the truth. My favorite movie, there are a lot, but one movie I would never get bored of is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Also, Ranjana. If you know this, you are an OG. I've watched Ranjana over 20 times. I'm telling the truth, guys. 20 times. I know every single dialogue of that movie. Me and my brother just, keep competitions that who remembers dialogue from the movie. And let me tell you the truth. I win. Introvert or extrovert? I am total extrovert. I just love hanging out with my friends. I cannot party because I'm just 17 years old. So I just love chilling out with my friends, going to cafes, trying new food. No, that's not true. I only order fries and burgers and soda. So yeah, but I love going out with my friends. That's the true thing. How will I describe my personality? I am a very outgoing person, and I'm also strong. I mean, I'm not physically strong, but I'm mentally strong. That counts. Next question is one thing I like about myself and one thing I don't like about myself. One thing I like about myself is I always try and find something good in other person. And one thing I hate about myself is I get too damn much. Like, even if the one person betrays me and just pulls me down, I still look up for that person. I don't know, but I just do that. Yeah, does that make me good or bad? The next question is my favorite cuisine. So I love North Indian foods. If you give me palak paneer, roti, or butter chicken or butter naan, God bless you. I am done for the day. I will eat the whole dabba. Not at once, but I'll just, I'll take a break and eat. Yeah, and I also like fries. I love fries, everything. I love just fries or cheesy fries, peri peri fries, or just fries in any form. I'll eat it. And I love burgers a lot, McDonald's. And I love pizzas. I can eat pizzas from Domino's. They are two my favorite. I like donut. Though I'm not a sweet tooth, I can eat donuts. My relationship status. This has been asked a lot of times on Instagram. I am single. Pretty much single. That's the question. And that's the answer to that question. Don't ask me it anymore. What inspired you to be fashion influencer? I would not call, I don't know if I'm an influencer right now. What inspired me was, I used to see this fashion, very beautiful models on Instagram. And they used to look so friggin' fit and so beautiful. They're like just gorgeous. And I used to look at their outfits and everything they wear so perfectly. And that got me into, into fashion in field. And I just love it. Will you be following me on Instagram after getting blue tick on your account? That is, I would definitely, because you really support me. I would. To answer your question, I would not change, guys. Who is your inspiration as in person? So I get inspired by my mom in every possible way. She is just so strong and hardworking woman, and I would love to be that person in my life. I would love to be her. So she inspires me. When did you realize you love doing makeup? So I have been doing makeup since 2 years now, and so 2 years before I used to watch these random makeup videos on YouTube, which I'm pretty much into it still. But yeah, I used to just watch them, blending their foundation and putting blush, lipstick so perfectly, and I actually got addicted to it, and it just caught my eye, and I am doing it right now on my YouTube channel, which is so great. The next question is, am I a dog person or a cat person? To be honest, I don't hate, but I just don't like cats. I think they are really very mean. No offense to all the cats lover out there, guys. Seriously. But I think dogs are really very sweet and really very cute. And I would love a dog for myself. If any of you are willing to give me a dog, give it to me already. The next question is, what is my favorite Netflix show? So, a couple months ago, I finished watching TVD, The Vampire Diaries, and it's a really very good show. The male cast is very hot, and I cried very much, like 1,000 times, while I was watching the show. Spoiler alert: if you cried when Stefan died, we are same. The next question is, what languages do I speak? So I speak Hindi, I speak English, I speak Marathi, and I speak very little bit of German, because I've been studying German, and yeah, I just speak very little basics. Next question, who is my celebrity crush? So my celebrity crush from Bollywood is Ranbir Kapoor. I like him very much. He's really very hot, guys. I think I love him. And from Hollywood, I think I like Paul Wesley a lot. I like Brad Pitt a lot. I like who else I like? I like Zayn Malik a lot. Come on, there are so many. If I start giving her the list, then the list never ends. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today's question, guys. I just finished all your questions. There were a lot of questions, but I just wanted to keep this video very short and simple, so I chose a few questions and answered them for you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Peace.